has been a coordinated monthly test at the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Yes, if this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert test. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. The broadcast stations in the area. Actual emergency. An official message would have followed the alert system. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
All right then.
Every Saturday night, the Showroom Point invites you to a total.
I don't know why Highway Country didn't go there, the Mojave cluster, so. Or maybe they're separate station.